Good evening everyone. Tonight, I will be presenting lesson 2 from my topic, Living in the Information Technology Era, System Unit and Components and Maintenance. The focus of this lesson is on ports, connectors, and computer care. First, let's talk about ports. A port is a point where a peripheral device connects to the computer system unit. This connection allows the peripheral to send or receive data to and from the computer. A port is like a door on a computer where you can connect external devices. These devices can send information in the computer or get information from it. Example is, you plug your headphones in the headphone port to listen to music, or you plug a USB drive into a port or to transfer files. So, trivia no? The USB port is one of the most common ports, stands for Universal Serial Bus. It was invented in 1996 to make connecting device easier and faster. So sa inyo makita sa computer no, daghan tag klase-klase nga ports. Isa na diha ang PS2 ports, personal system 2 port, or mo ni siya ang pinaka dugay or ang older round ports, typically uses for connecting keyboards. Mo na siya ang color nga purple, and mouse mo na siya ang green. Other is Ethernet port, larger port used for wired network connection or internet or a LAN. And ang common is ang USB or Universal Serial Bus. Mo siya ang versatile rectangular port used for a wide range of device, including flash drives, cameras, and external hard drives. And then audio jacks, mo ni siya ang pinakagamay nga, and round ports, yung mo ni siya ang for connection of speaker, microphone, and headset. And next is firewire and parallel ports. It's older types of ports used for specific high-speed data transfer or printers, largely replaced by USB to demo siya. And then another facts and trivia no, the origin of ports. The term port comes from the Latin word porta, meaning gateway or entrance, which perfectly describe its function in a computer system. Next, we have connectors. A connector is the unique end part of a cable or plug that fit into a port. Think of it as the matching key that allows the device to connect the computer. Example of connectors is HDMI cables for monitors, audio jack for headphones, and Ethernet cables for internet connections. Trivia no? While many ports look similar, they are often not interchangeable. For example, a PS2 or personal system 2 mouse connector will not work if plugged into the keyboard port, even though they have the same shape. So dili siya mugana pag mamali kag saksak, bisan pag pareha sila og kanang port. Lastly, we need to learn about keeping your computer clean. Dust and dirt can build up inside the computer. Ano siya ang makablock sa airflow no? This can cause the computer to overheat, damage parts, or even stop working altogether. Cleaning your computer once or twice a year can help keep it running longer. So bisan rag kay sara sa isa ka tuig, madugangan na ang lifespan sa ato ang computer. Then dust is the silent enemy. So gamay kay ang dust, pero it acts like a blanket, trapping heat and causing components to overheat, slow down, or eventually fail. So here are some simple cleaning steps. First, turn off and unplug the computer and all cables. So palungon na to, or mas maayo ibuton before nato siya hinluan. Then blow dust out of all openings like drives, slots, and ports. So gamit ta diri og compressor or even bisag ka ng kuan na lang blower. Finally, vacuum the power supply fan on the back of your computer case to remove dust. Trivia no? Studies have found that some computer keyboards can harbor up to 20,000 times more bacteria than a toilet seat. So, making regular cleaning a matter of hygiene as well as hardware health. So, mo nang review na to, na tong computer, especially ato ang keyboard. In conclusion, knowing about ports, connectors, and proper computer care help us maintain our technology and use it safely and efficiently. So, kaya karon nakabalo naman mo about sa ports and connectors, dili na ta magpataka og saksak sa mga ports and connectors bisag asa na to ibutang, bisag dili fit ipugos. And then, wala to, thank you for listening and God bless you all.